Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter rational numbers. In that, the topic name is decimal representation of rational numbers. What Nana? Decimal representation of rational numbers. Now see, we know rational number means a rational number is denoted by q. Yes, a rational number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to integers, q is not equals to 0, which is the condition for rational number. Yes or no? A rational number in the form of p by q, where clearly p and q are integers, q is not equals to 0. Now, how to write a rational number, how to write the decimal form of a rational number? A rational number ki decimal form ela rastadu. Okay, now let us see one example here. I am taking, let us consider 25 by, let us consider a rational number. Rational number 25 by 16. Okay na? Now clearly 25 by 16 is a rational number. Now see its decimal expansion. Now what I am doing, you just observe na. 25 by 16 is equals to, what is its decimal expansion? Now I am dividing 25 with 16. 25 is the dividend and 16 as a divisor. 16 ones are 16. 25 minus 16 means I get that is 9. Okay, but this is small compared to divisor. That's why you keep a point here and take 1 0. Now 90. Okay, 16 table. By reading 16 table, what we get? 16 5s are 16 5s are what we get? 50 plus 30 80 వస్తుంది మనకి. 16 5s are 80. Next 16 6 are 96 we get. 96 means it is crossed. So that's why 16 5s are, that is 80. Okay, by doing subtraction, 90 minus 80, what are that is 10. Already your point is there, you take 0. Again by reading 16 10, 16 6 are, we get 96. Now 100 minus 96 means what? No, we get that is 4. Already your point is there, then you write 0. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are, 16 twos are what? That is 32. Then 40 minus 32, we get that is 8. 16 5s are, 16 5s are, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఉంది కదా, then you take 0. By reading 16 table, 16 5s are 80. So remainder is 0. We get that is 1.5625. What Nana? The decimal representation of 25 by 16. The decimal representation of the decimal form of a 25 by 16 is 1.5625. Clearly we know this is a one, this is the whole number part and this part is the decimal part. In a decimal part there are finite number of decimals are there. In a decimal part there are how many decimal places are there? 4 decimal places only, and a finite number of decimal places. So we can say that this type of numbers, terminating decimals, this type of numbers we call what? Terminating decimals. Means in a decimal part there are finite number of decimal places. Now go to the next one. I am considering next example. That is, let us consider a rational number 5 by 3. Okay, now 5 by 3 also a rational number. Now see its decimal expansion. So it's a decimal. How to write the decimal form of 5 by 3? 5 by 3 is equals to. So first of all, you divide 5 with 3. Then what happens? By doing actual division. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2. This compared to divisor, it is small. That's why you take your point, take 0. 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 means we get 2. Already your point is there, then you take, already your point is there, then you write another 0. Again 3 6 are 18. Again 20 minus 18 means we get 2. Your point is there, take 0. Again 3 6 are 18. So it will continuous. 1.66 and the point after 6 repeat అవుతూ ఉంది. Yes or no? That's why we can write 1.666 and so on. Means we can write it as 1.6 bar. Okay na? అంటే 6 repeat అవుతూనే ఉంటుంది. We can say that this type of decimal form, ఇలా decimal form ఉన్న numbers ఏమంటారు? నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ decimals, non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, this type of numbers, decimal numbers are called what? Non-terminating repeating decimals or recurring decimals. So just before we get a terminating decimal, ante ikkada in a decimal place there are no finite number of decimals, infinite number of decimal, ante 6 వస్తూనే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి this is non terminating repeating decimals. Now consider another example. Let us consider 1 by 7. Let us consider a rational number 1 by 7. Now see its decimal form. 1 by 7 is equals to, first of all you divide 1 with 7. Clearly dividend is 7, sorry, dividend is 1, divisor is 7. Okay, dividend is smaller than divisor, that's why you write 0 here, keep a point, then take 0. By reading 7 table, 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 means that is 3. Already your point is there, then write another 0. 7 fours are 28. Now 30 minus 28 means we get that is 2. Already your point is there, then you can write another 0. By reading 7 table, 7 twos are 14. Because of 7 threes are means 21. So 20 cross అవుతుంది. That's why you just come back. 7 twos are 14. Now 20 minus 14 means that is what? 6. Again here point is there. Point is there means we can write many zeros. We get 60. By keeping 0. 7 eights are 56. Okay. Now 60 minus 56 means we get that is what? We get that is 4 వస్తుంది. 60 minus 56 means we get that is 4. Already your point is there means again you take 0. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 means we get that is 5. Your point is there, again you take 0. By reading 7 table, 7 sevens are 49. Again 50 minus 49, that is 1. Already your point is there, again you take 0. Again 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 3. We will get same. Ante 0.0 0.142857. After again మళ్ళీ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Again it starts from 1. Means again we will get the next digits are 42857. So that's why we can say that 0.142857. Okay now. So this is the decimal form of a 1/7. Okay now. This kind of decimal numbers we call non-terminating recurring or repeating decimals. Is it clear, students? Like that we can find the decimal form of a rational numbers by doing actual division. You try to take your own rational numbers. Okay na? You take your own rational numbers, you just check how I did like this. Okay, so you just find whether their decimal expansion is terminates or non-terminates. You by taking your own examples you can practice. Okay, you will get some idea on the concept. Now how to write a terminating decimals in p/q form. Okay, how to write a non-terminating decimals in p/q form. Conversion of decimal form to rational form. Okay, next one what nana? Converting terminating decimal to rational form. Converting terminating decimal to rational form. What is our topic name? Converting terminating decimals to rational form. I am taking one example here. In that first question, 0.57. It is a decimal number. 0.57. It is a terminating decimal. Means in the part in the decimal part there are finite number of decimals. Ante point of the right side finite number of decimals means only ikkada 2 decimal places unnai. That's why it is a terminating decimal. Now see how to write its a rational form. Rational form ante దీన్ని p/q form లో రాయాలి. Yes or no? You should write in the form of p/q where p and q are integers, q not equals to 0. Now see what I am doing here. Let x is equals to 0. We can write 0.57 is equals to, first of all without point, ikkada point lekunda you just write the digits 0, 5, 7. Okay na? By 1 write. Okay na? Denominator take it as 1. In point of the right side how many decimal places are there? Ikkada 2 decimal places unnai kada. That's why you write 2 zeros, 1 ki right side. Then ikkada 0 anedi left side ante not valid kada. So we get that is 57/100. 5700 it is in the form of p/q form. Is it clear? Where p 57, q 100. These two are integers and the denominator should not equal to 0. Q is not equals to 0. 100 anedi not equal to 0 kada. So like this we can write a terminating decimals into rational form. Again you consider another example. The another example 1.2345. What is the number nana? 1.2345. It is a terminating decimal because of how many there are finite number of decimal places. Decimal places lo manaki enni unnai? There are finite numbers. Finite number of decimal places is there. Ante point after only 4 places unnai. So that's why we call it as a terminating terminating decimals. Now see how to write this one in rational form. As usually write 1.2345. Point after you just write the digits, Nana. You just read it as 1.2345. Without point you write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means we get that is 12,345. You write denominator as 1. Denominator 1 rasayandi. Now point after in decimal places how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. That's why you write 4 zeros. Means we can write it as 12,345 by 10,000. Yeah, which is in the form of P by Q. The P by Q formula undi kada. P is 12,345. Q is 10,000. So which is in the form of P by Q. Clearly Q is not equals to 0. Ante 10,000 is not equals to 0. So like this you can convert a terminating decimals into, okay na, into rational form. Okay na students? Thank you.